Georgie Kovacs tries to live healthy. The 34-year-old works out 5 to 6 times a week in Midtown. She also recently started paying more attention to what she eats.
I'm trying to be much more aware of what the calories are in foods. Sometimes it's harder to tell what the calories are in foods, and we may make assumptions.
But since July, Georgie and other consumers don't always have to guess. The New York City Health Department began enforcing a regulation requiring chain restaurants with more than 15 locations to post calorie information on their menu boards. The regulation is part of an effort by the city to curb the nationwide obesity epidemic.
We like to think in terms of New Yorkers needing maybe 1,800 to 2,000 calories a day.
Health Department surveys found people consume 100 fewer calories per meal when they have access to calorie information. The department estimates this could reduce the number of obese people by 150,000 in the next 5 years and prevent 30,000 cases of diabetes.
What we do know is that there's a lot of obesity in New York and certainly other places as well. Health-wise, probably the first problem is diabetes.
To help New Yorkers make the most of the new calorie postings, the health department started a Read 'em Before You Eat 'em campaign, placing 5 different ads inside 1,000 subway cars. Seeing the calorie count is a wake-up call for some consumers.
It's definitely made me change habits. Not in eliminating restaurants completely, but definitely when I go to them, the choices that I'm making for sure.
The New York State Restaurant Association is fighting the new health code in the Second Circuit Court of Appeals because owners are worried it may be bad for business. In addition to a potential decline in sales, restaurants face fines between $200 and $2,000 if they fail to comply. Health inspectors have issued nearly 400 citations in the last 3 months. Top offenders include McDonald's, Dunkin' Donuts, and Domino's. Kirk Henneberger manages 2 Chipotle restaurants in Manhattan. His company posted calories before it was mandatory, and it has not affected business.
Since the calories have gone up, there has not been a change as far as what people have really been ordering. If people want a burrito, they're going to get that burrito.
The city is paving the way for lawmakers elsewhere to encourage healthy eating habits. In October, California passed a Senate bill requiring chain restaurants with more than 20 locations to post calorie information within 3 years.
I think it's a great start. I think it'll become a model for the rest of the country.
Though Georgie likes the new calorie posting rule, she also thinks it could be taken a step further.
I thought it was the best thing I'd ever seen, and I think every restaurant should post the calories in all of their foods. Really what I wanted to do is make the restaurants change what they're offering to us.
Until then, Georgie will watch what she eats when she's out and continue to cook more at home. Aisha Al-Muslim for the New York City News Service.